I'm built different.
He was just taken by a young boy who tragically doesn't have long to live.
Hello, Coach Boy.
I can't get in there.
Big meal delivery.
Okay, let's go.
Is there anything else I can get you, Mr. Cole?
Okay, let's go. I can get this out. You ready? Go for that. You ready? One sec. Got it. Oh my god. Oh my mom's gonna be so mad.
Just as much to offer as any of those other possible baby daddies.
Yo.